It's late evening. The house is quiet. You sit down to remove your socks, and that familiar ache pulses in your legs again. You stretch, rub your calves, maybe even groan softly, but deep down you feel it. Your legs don't move like they used to. That steady power, the youthful bounce in your step, the ease of getting up and walking without thought, it's faded. But what if I told you something surprising? That tucked away in your kitchen, yes, right there in a small jar or container, could be the very thing that helps you restore that leg strength, rebuild circulation, and reignite the vitality you thought you lost forever. One spoon, one bedtime habit, and the body remembers what it was like to feel 20 again. Now listen closely, because this isn't about magic. This is about giving your aging body exactly what it's been craving. Nutrients that it used to produce in abundance, but now barely receives. Over the years, as we age, our muscles, especially in the legs, begin to shrink quietly. Not just because we move less, but because the blood flow weakens, the minerals deplete, and the inflammation quietly builds. Many seniors assume leg weakness is just a normal part of aging, but the truth is it's not final, it's reversible. And tonight, I want to introduce you to a powerful but gentle bedtime remedy that millions overlook. This is something ancient cultures used for strength, endurance, and restful sleep. It's not a pill, not a drug, and not some trendy powder from a foreign land. It's something as simple as a single spoon of a natural blend, rich in magnesium, potassium, anti-inflammatory herbs, and natural oils that soothe your nerves, open your blood vessels, and feed your leg muscles while you sleep. It could be a spoon of warm turmeric honey or a spoonful of magnesium-rich pumpkin seed paste with a pinch of black pepper and olive oil. These natural ingredients work together to calm overactive nerves, improve nighttime circulation, and rebuild your strength without strain. Here's what no one tells you. Nighttime is when most leg damage happens. You're still, blood pools, inflammation sets in, and the nerves in your legs and feet start misfiring due to poor mineral balance. That's why many older adults wake up with restless legs, cramps, or that dead leg feeling. It's not aging, it's neglect. But just one spoonful of the right thing before bed, and the body begins to heal during rest. You'll wake up lighter, stronger, and more stable. Some seniors even report better sleep, fewer bathroom visits, and even sharper morning focus. Let's break this down without the jargon. Your leg muscles need blood flow. They need anti-inflammatory support. And most importantly, they need electrolytes like magnesium and potassium. When these are low, which is incredibly common after 60, you feel weak, crampy, or tired just from standing too long. By giving your body a night dose of these natural minerals, combined with calming herbs like ginger, turmeric, or even a dash of cinnamon, you're feeding your muscles during your deepest rest. It's like charging your phone, but for your legs. Now I want to talk to you directly. Maybe you've been told that you just have to accept your aging body, that weakness is the new normal, that being cautious, slow, and tired is part of the deal. But my friend, it's not. Your body is still yours. It's still responsive. It still wants to heal. You just have to give it what it needs. And this habit, it's not just about muscles. It's about confidence. Because when your legs are strong, you trust yourself again. You walk more. You smile more. You stand taller. You feel younger. And that confidence, it radiates through everything you do. Let me tell you about Mr. Daniel, a retired postal worker from Kentucky. At 73, he had trouble walking even half a block without needing to sit. His calves cramped every night. He'd stopped gardening. His doctor told him to slow down, but Daniel wasn't ready to give up. After watching a natural health video, he tried one simple thing, a spoon of mashed banana with turmeric and black sesame oil before bed. 3 weeks later, he was walking a mile again. No pain, no shame. He wrote to us saying, "It's like my legs remembered how to live again." And friend, yours can too. So tonight, before you brush your teeth and crawl into bed, try this. Prepare one small spoonful of a nourishing blend. Whether it's turmeric honey, black sesame paste, mashed banana with olive oil, or just warm milk with magnesium-rich pumpkin seed powder, take it with intention. Sit quietly. Breathe. Tell your body, we are not giving up, we are rebuilding. Do this for 7 nights and then come back and tell us in the comments, what changed? How do your legs feel? Did you sleep better? Did you walk farther? You are not done. Your body is not broken. And age does not mean decline. It means refinement. You deserve strength. You deserve peaceful sleep. You deserve to feel 20 again, not because of a number, but because of how alive you are inside. So, to every wise elder listening right now, let this night be the beginning of something powerful. Not a decline, but a return to health, to power, to you. If this message spoke to you, please like this video, share it with a friend, and comment below what night routine has helped you feel stronger. You never know who your story might inspire, and don't forget to subscribe to Wisdom for Success, because growing older should never mean growing weaker.